Hello, this is Dr. Carola Fortner, and I am giving you an overview over week 4 of our class. Oh, this is already week 4. I hope you're keeping pace and that the readings and the materials make sense to you. I have a lot of fun with this class, and I hope you do too. So, week 4, let's take a look. Here we are in week 4, and we'll take a quick look at the overview. In week 4, it's all about effective learning environments for young children with special needs. We're reading chapter 7, which is about designing learning environments for young children with delays or disabilities. And chapter 8 is about adapting learning environments for children with delays or disabilities. So the assignments for this week are a discussion board, a weekly reflection, and an assignment. The discussion board this week is about helpful versus misleading web sources in regards to learning centers for special needs students. And that is due on Thursday, and you have at least 4 peer responses of 100 words by Saturday. The weekly reflection is about learning environments for young children, and the weekly assignment is a visual representation of your central design concept. So here is a graphic or visual creative task for you. There's some interesting resources for chapter 7. We have some videos here. The first one is about engaging young children in the outdoor environment. Then we have one about tools of inclusion, assistive technology. We have one about getting kids involved in creating opportunities for learning. And then we have one video that addresses augmentative and alternative communication through modeling, prompting, and responding. For chapter 8, we have some videos. There are one about accommodations versus modifications. We have a parent advocate that explains the difference. We have a video on embedded instruction practices, and it shows you what it is and how to do it. We have one about chaining and task analysis. And finally, we have a video by Carol Gray, What Are Social Stories? So if we're moving on to our discussion, here this week you Google the phrase learning centers for special needs students, and then you select a source, an article, a website, a blog, a podcast, a video clip, something that connects to our text-based reading. So what you want to do, falling back onto the concepts that you discussed in chapter 7 and 8 about designing and adapting learning environments for young children, you describe how you find that web source helpful or misleading. Okay, that's our discussion. Be sure to have your initial post by Thursday and have it 450 words or more. Then our reflection is a 1 to 2 page that addresses designing or adapting learning environments for young children with special needs. Here is your rubric. And the final part for week 4 is then the assignment. And here you have a visual representation of your central design concept of adapting a learning environment. And this could be a scan, a photograph of a drawing, or a model, a bubble diagram, a collage. You pick how you want to represent your idea for a learning environment. Make sure that you are very careful about supremely well considered, here it says in the assignment, and then of course add explanations so that you have about 2 to 3 pages that you're handing in altogether. And that is week 4. As always, feel free to send me any emails or in the inbox and conversations, and I'll keep a lookout for you. Have a good week.